I'm going to show you here how to install our last piece of board and batt siding so it's not flopping around in the wind. Here we have sill trim made out of our true grain hickory. So I've already measured it and cut it to length. It'll go up into the top J channel on top of the rat stop, pushed into the corner. You want to fasten this with nails or screws, whatever you use. For ease, I've already measured the panel that we need. As you can tell, I cut it off, cut the nail strip off. You can use your tin snips to do that. Once you're done, we have this notching tool. You want to notch the top. And if you look, it gives you a little notch sticking out. That'll grab the hem of the sill trim. Do that in 3 spots. So now we'll install that. So you want to go up into the J channel, down on top of the rat stop. You can either start at the top or the bottom. It's like a Ziploc bag. Just slowly tap that in to place. Work your way down. Want it in the starter down here. Okay. Then work your way back up. Then snap your corner on. If you look here, it gives you a nice finished trim look.